I'm working on a video project and I have this beautiful 4K footage of a forest, but there's no sound. And I want to bring it to life with sound, and normally I'd have to search for sounds, download them, import them to my project, place them in the timeline, and all of this just to check if they even work. Wouldn't it be great if I could generate sounds for my project right in the timeline? With Project Super Sonic, this is now possible. I can go here and type in forest ambience and hit generate. And this will be calling our text to sound effects Gen AI model that'll generate audio on the fly in full 48 kilohertz and place it right in the timeline. Let's have a listen. Beautiful. Now I feel like I'm in the forest, and that was so easy. So in my next scene, I'm in a different part of the forest and I have this spaceship taking off in front of a waterfall, and I've already generated the sound of the waterfall, so let's hear what I have so far. All right, nice. And of course, I want the spaceship to, the sound of the spaceship taking off, but I'm kind of out of ideas. But no worries, because Project Super Sonic is also an inspiration machine. I can hit subject selection and it'll automatically recognize that the spaceship is the main subject in my shot. So now I can just hover over it, and when I click on it, it will automatically generate a prompt for me. Check it out, a spaceship taking off from a forest planet. Okay, let's try this one. So I'm going to hit generate, and you can see how this workflow can take me from the objects in my video to sound effects in a matter of seconds. There it is. And not only do we get one result, we get multiple variations to choose from. So here's the first one. And let's try this one. Okay, this sounds pretty dramatic. Let's keep this one, and let's see our scene now. Beautiful. I can do sound design in seconds. Now, my spaceship is taken off, and in my last scene, it lands right in the middle of this monster battle. And here I have a real challenge. Because check this scene out. First, this monster growls, then it's gonna growl again, and then this other monster is gonna growl back at it and flap its wings. There's a lot going on here. And if I had to add a sound for each one of these moments with the right timing and energy, that's gonna be a lot of work. But sound designers often use their voice to sketch what they want the sound effects to sound like. Wouldn't it be great if I could use that to drive the generation? Well, with Project Super Sonic, this is not sci-fi, we can do this. Check it out. I'm going to hit record audio, and I'm going to imitate the monster growls with my voice. Roar! 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 All right, now I'm going to type in my prompt, something like monster growl, and hit generate. And now it's going to be using the precise timing, energy, characteristics of my voice to drive the generation. Here's the result, and let's choose a variation, bring up the volume, and let's see what we got. What? I love it. That was so easy, and it follows my voice precisely. So I feel I'm on a roll with this workflow. Let's add the wing flaps as well. So let's record. Whoosh, whoosh. All right, and I'm just going to type in whoosh and hit generate. And there we go. Let's listen to what we got. All right, pretty good. Let's check out our whole scene from the top. Amazing. From vocal sketch to professional sound effects in seconds. Project Super Sonic. Bring your videos to life with sound effects using Gen AI right in your timeline.